Oh my gosh, did you have chemistry first period? Can you tell me anything that was on the test?
Well, you do have to solve for pressure using Pfiffner.
Okay.
Did you do your homework last night?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so tired. I didn't get home till so late last night after the game. Do you think that I could get your homework?
Sure. You want to take a picture of it?
Yeah. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you think you could share your paper with me? I have no idea what to write about.
Okay.
Morning, everyone. I hope you all had a great winter break. Unfortunately, we're going to have to start out today with a tough conversation about academic integrity. Let me start out by saying that we value collaboration here at York, but it's really important that we see your own work.
I don't get it. Did somebody steal somebody else's paper?
Who'd steal someone else's paper when we have to turn them all into turnitin.com?
Okay, everyone, let's wait a minute. No one stole someone's paper.
No one stole a paper, then why do we have to talk about cheating?
Academic integrity is more than just stealing a paper. When you come to class, you and your teacher basically have an agreement. You will learn, and your teachers will help you learn. I will honestly and fairly give you feedback and a grade that represents your work, and you, in turn, will honestly submit your work that is your own. In the end, having academic integrity is submitting your own work without having an unfair advantage.
Unfair advantage? What does that mean?
Okay, Drew, let's take a few examples. When I was walking to class today, I heard one student ask her friend what was on the chemistry test, and her friend told her some of the questions.
Wait a minute, is that cheating? I mean, he's my friend, and I was just asking about the questions, not the answers.
It's dishonest. You now have an unfair advantage that other students don't have. Whether you give or receive the questions or answers from a test breaks our academic integrity code.
So I get in trouble too? That's not fair.
Yes, it is. I had that class first period. I didn't know it was on the test when I took it.
That's exactly right, Drew. Everyone needs to have an equal opportunity to show what they know. I know you felt like you were just helping a friend, but it doesn't show him, his parents, or his teachers what he can or cannot do on his own.
Wait, I thought that cheating was copying us off of someone's paper or test.
Yeah, those are two forms of cheating, but copying someone's homework is also cheating.
Hold on. I tried to do my math last night. It took me so long that I only copied down a few problems I didn't get to.
That's just it. If you are copying someone's work, how would your teacher or your parents know that you are struggling to complete the problems?
Wait, Miss Cadigan, so I'm not allowed to help my friends?
Remember, you are not helping your friends when you let them copy your work. We absolutely want all of you to help each other, but there's a big difference between working together and giving someone the answers. If your buddy is struggling in math, help them to work through the problem so they will learn how to do it. Otherwise, copying the work will just make it easier for them to fall behind.
Now I'm worried. I didn't know how to get started on my paper, so I asked my friend to share his paper with me, just to get started. Once I read it, I did write it on my own. I swear I didn't copy. Is that cheating?
Okay, that's a great question, and thank you for being honest. That tells me that I need to explain plagiarism again. Copying someone's paper word for word is absolutely one form of plagiarism, but that's not the only form. Plagiarism is taking anyone's words or ideas and presenting them as your own.
So when I shared my paper with him, I was helping him cheat because I was giving him my ideas?
If he wrote his paper using your ideas, then yes, he plagiarized it, because he is presenting your thoughts as his own. I won't know if he understands the material if he uses your ideas.
But I put it all in my own words.
But you put his ideas in your words. That type of plagiarism is called paraphrasing. Just think about it as property. If you steal my car and paint it a different color, it's still my car. It just looks different. If you steal my ideas but change the words, they are still my ideas. It's my intellectual property.
Whatever, I don't care anyway. I'm out of here in a couple of months.
Yeah, but you don't want to get thrown out of college. My cousin's brother's uncle's kid, son, he got caught cheating, and they have a really strict policy. I'm not even sure they're going to be let him back in.
Miss Cadigan, you've done such a great job of explaining this today. I think I get everything except for one thing. Teachers are always telling us about collaborating, the importance of collaborating. How do we do that if we can't share our ideas?
Another excellent question, Diana. Yes, we do want you to collaborate. Real collaboration, though, is when people are working together to create something. Both people are contributing and both people are learning. Academic integrity in collaboration means that each student is contributing equally to the work being done. It's just not fair to have one student do most or all of the work. Here are some general rules to follow. If you are turning something in and your teacher wants to know your progress, make sure the work is entirely your own, everything from the ideas to the words. If your friend is struggling, help him or her learn how to do the work so they can get better at it. Copying is not the answer. When a friend asks you to give him or her your work, show integrity and say no. Helping someone be dishonest is being dishonest. I hope you'll ask your other teachers to talk about how academic integrity looks in their classes. Now, let's get to work.